How to properly sharpen carving tools. Are you curious about how to keep your carving tools sharp and ready for action? Properly sharpening your tools is essential for effective wood carving, especially in survival situations. A sharp tool not only makes your work easier but also helps you stay safe while carving. Let's break down the steps to sharpen your carving tools effectively. First, gather your sharpening tools. You will need sharpening stones, also known as whetstones, with different grit levels. Start with a coarse grit stone to reshape the blade. This stone helps remove any nicks or damage. If your stone requires moisture, use water or oil based on the type of stone you have. Keeping the stone moist prevents overheating and maintains its surface. Next, hold your carving tool at the right angle. For most carving tools, this angle is between 15 and 25 degrees. Knives usually need an angle of around 15 to 20 degrees, while chisels and gouges are closer to 25 degrees. Maintaining a consistent angle is key to forming a sharp edge. Use smooth, controlled strokes, moving the blade across the stone evenly on both sides. This helps create a symmetrical edge. Once you have reshaped the blade with the coarse grit stone, switch to a finer grit stone. This step polishes and refines the edge. The finer stone removes burrs, which are tiny metal shards that form during sharpening. This process results in a smooth, razor-sharp finish. For tools with complex shapes like gouges or V-tools, secure them in a vise or use a jig. This will help you maintain the correct angle and stability while sharpening. After finishing with the stones, it is time to use a leather strop. This step further polishes the edge and removes any remaining burrs. To strop, drag the blade backward across the leather surface. You can apply a polishing compound for better results. This final touch aligns the microscopic teeth of the blade edge, giving you a keen cut. To test the sharpness of your tool, carefully slice a piece of wood or paper. A properly sharpened carving tool should cut smoothly without tearing or requiring much force. In survival situations, keeping your carving tools sharp is vital. Dull tools can slip, causing injuries, and make tasks like carving shelter components or utensils much harder. Regular maintenance with simple sharpening stones and a strop keeps your tools ready for any bushcraft challenge. Remember these key steps. Use a coarse grit stone to reshape the edge, maintain a consistent sharpening angle, alternate sides evenly, progress to a fine grit stone, use a leather strop to finish the edge, and test sharpness on wood or paper. Following these steps ensures your carving tools remain sharp, effective, and safe for all your wood carving tasks.